Hey guys, Wayne here from Tech Made Easy. Today I want to show you how to take a screenshot on the LG V40. It's super simple. Just go ahead and find a screen that you do want to screenshot. So we're going to do this page on Google. We're going to hold down the volume down button right here and the power button at the same time. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1 second. Screenshot saved. Go back home. Go to your gallery. And here is our screenshot right here. Now from this screen you can also see that you can edit the screenshot afterwards. So I'm just going to go to the bottom and click on the edit button. Press allow. And now you can add a filter to it if you'd like. We can go to the settings here, adjust the lighting on it, the color, the pop. We can also crop it as well. Maybe you only need a certain section of the screen, so we can do that. Maybe you just want this one little recorder here, you can do that. And hit done. And then upper right corner, we can click on the 3 dots here. You can undo the edits as well. So you do get a couple of different options here. And as soon as you're done, just go ahead and hit that save copy button there. And there we have it. There's our screenshot simplified. So hope you guys did find that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button to keep watching for more videos. Thanks again and have a good one.